Hello students, I hope you all are fit and fine. Here we are to continue learning on a virtual platform. Begins our today's discussion. Let us quickly recapitulate what we have seen in the last session. So the last session we have discussed about the meaning of m-commerce, advantages of m-commerce and l-commerce. Then we are moving some security issues in e-commerce. There are 4 types of security issues. First one, confidentiality, integrity, authorization and non-repudiation. Fine, first one, confidentiality. The meaning of confidentiality means unauthorized user can't read the information. જે તમને ખબર જ છે કે તમારા ફોનનો પાસવર્ડ તમારા સિવાય બીજા કોઈને ખબર ના હોવી જોઈએ. બીજા એ ઓથોરિટી કોને આપેલી છે તો કે જેનો ફોન છે એમને જ. સેકન્ડ વન ઇઝ ઇન્ટિગ્રિટી. ઇન્ફોર્મેશન મસ્ટ નોટ બી એક્સિડન્ટલી ઓન malicious change during messages જે બદલવાનો નથી. Third one, authorization. Only authentic person uses this is known as authorization. Suppose I am using my cell phone, I have password, then I am known as authorized person. You are using my cell phone, you have no password, so you are unauthorized person. Fourth one is non-repudiation. Sender of the message cannot deny that he or she has sent the message. You have to accept that have to send a message. It is usually accompanied by digital signatures. This is known as TTP. TTP full form, trusted third parties. Okay, so communication will require 2 parties. First one sender and second one receiver. I will call you, so I am dialer, caller or sender. You get a message, you are called a receiver. In between there is no parties. This is known as TTP. So sender and receiver both are receiving messages on communicate the information, but in between there is one party. This is known as TTP. Our next topic is about internet security. Threats like 5 viruses are there in computer science. First one, malicious code. Second one, sniffing. Third one, denial of service attack. Fourth one, cyber vandalism. And fifth one, spoofing. First one, malicious code. First one is malicious code. It will damage your computer. It means computer will be working mode but can't working. Malicious code can either activate itself or be like a virus, requiring a user to perform an action such as clicking on something or opening an email, attachment, etc. Next one, sniffing. Sniffing means sniffer uses internet to record information. Sniffer હવે શું કરે છે તો કે sniffer email યુઝર્સનું લોગિન, પાસવર્ડ અને ક્રેડિટ કાર્ડ નંબર રીડ કરી શકે છે. કોના થ્રુ થાય છે તો કે સ્નિફિંગ વાયરસ થ્રુ. થર્ડ વન, ડેનિયલ ઓફ સર્વિસ અટેક. હવે એનાથી શું થાય છે તો કે a denial of services DOS attacked in an attack used to shut down a machine or network, making it inaccessible to its intended users by targeting the user's computer and its network connection on the site which the user tries the access, and hackers may be able to prevent the users from accessing email, websites, and online banking accounts, services, etc. Now, next one, cyber vandalism. It will convert original content to duplicate content. This is known as cyber vandalism. It is an example of integrity violation. It is the electronic equivalent of destroying properties or placing graffiti on someone's photograph. And last topic is about spoofing. Someone you are not there instead of you. Spoofing or masquerading is pretending to be someone you are not, representing a website and authentic when it is actually a fake. It is a technique where the hacker tries to assume the identity of another person or system for cascading with victim site. For example, www.gswan.co.in. Okay, students, thank you. Next topic, learning next turn.